Hello everyone, welcome to part 179 of ecom series in Laravel 6, and in this video we are going to continue working on wishlist. In last video we have seen that we able to add the wishlist button. Okay, so if we will click on add to wishlist button, just we need to select the site, that which site you want to add in your wishlist, which size and which product you want to add in your wishlist. Okay, so after clicking on this one, we are getting wishlist is selected. So we able to get it in our function. I am going to open that products controller, and I will open that add to cart function. Okay, in add to cart function we have done this thing, that if wish list button is not empty and if button is equal to wish list, then it means that wish list is selected and we can do the operation of wish list. Okay, and otherwise shopping cart process will continue like we used to do. And so in case of wish list, we need to take care of few of the things. First of all, we need to check if the user is logged in. Okay, so we will add here condition that user is logged in or not, and the another condition that we are going to add, that is site has been selected or not. Okay, in case the site is not selected, we will though we have added that in HTML5 we have added there in detail page that site is mandatory, but here also it is required in some cases. If that create issue, then there must be server-side validation as well. Okay, so first of all we will do this thing, and here I will add the condition. So I will also do one thing here. I will also add the comment so that it will clear to us in future as well. Okay, check user is logged in or not. Check user is logged in. Okay, and we are going to check that user is logged in or not. Okay, so first of all we are going to see with the auth check function we are going to see. Okay, so with the auth check function I am going to see this thing. So let's see auth check. If auth check is not there, is not means not, we are going to add here. If auth check is not present, it means that the user is not logged in. So in this case we need to return back the user, redirect back the user to the detail page once again, and that we will show the error message as well, flash message error. And the error message that we are going to show, please log in to add product in your wish list. Okay, like this we can do. Okay, yeah. Okay, so this is the error message, and we can try this one first of all, and we'll get back. And I'm going to move back, and here I'm going to click on this add to wish list, and here I'm going to see is there any die. Okay, so this one I'm going to remove this one. I'm going to comment this one in fact. Okay, so now I'm going to do that command R send. Okay, so here see here the message, please log in to add product in your wish list. Okay, so the user need to log in first, only then he can add product in his wish list. Okay, this is the first condition that we will add in there in add to cart function for wish list. Okay, inside this one. And the another one is the that size is selected or not. Okay, that condition is also important, that check size is selected. Okay, this condition we are going to add. And here also we will sorry for that, I am new in Mac, so that's why some I'm not that much comfortable so far. It will take some time. So next condition is that the if size is empty, if the size that we are getting from the form, that the detail page product form, if the size is empty in case, then we need to return back the user with the error message, another error message, that please select size to continue. Okay, so here we are going to use empty if $data size. Okay, if the size is not there, it means that something went wrong, so that's why the size is not there. And so in this case we will return back the user. Once again return redirect back, and here also we will show the error message with flash message error, and here the error message will we will show please select site to continue. Okay, please select size to continue, or please select size to add product in your wishlist. This one also, please select size to add product in your wishlist. We can also add like this. Okay, this is the second condition. Okay, so after this one, if these both conditions are fine, then after that we are going to get the product size. Okay, so here first of all we will here add that working fine. Up till here we must reach here after login. So first of all we will try that we have reached here or not. Okay, so let's log in. I'm going to log in with one of the account, and I will try login with Amit 100, or I will see that which account here users. 2000 is fine. Okay, so that I'm going to use this account. So I log in with my account, user account, and I will go to the detail page once again, and I open any of the product now. Okay, so here it is fine. Okay, so now I'm going to wish list. After adding this site, I'm going to here see it is coming working fine. Okay, so now no issue is coming because we are already logged in and we have selected the site as well, so it is working fine up till this okay here. So now the thing that we want to get here the product size here. Okay, so get product size here. If you will see that we are not getting the exact product size, we need to get the product size. Okay, here I will show you, like if I will we will see that what exactly is coming. You are going to see that we are getting the size like this 23-small, but the size is not like this. Size is only small. Okay, so we need to means we need to get the small from this string. Okay, so the this thing we have already done in add to cart earlier. For adding the product in cart we have done the same thing. So this one we have used explode to cut off this 23 hyphen and just getting the small. Okay, this thing we have already done, and we same thing we need to repeat again. So we are going to copy this one and we'll add here. We have already done that thing, so by this we will get the product size. Okay, so adding this statement, explode will we will explode with hyphen, and hyphen will convert this one into two array. 23 will come in 0 element, and small will come in first element, and we will pick the first element in product size variable. Okay, so so now we are getting this one in product size, and now we also need to get the product price. So we need to get, so for product price we need to get the product price from products attribute table. Okay, so we are having the product ID, we are having this size, so now we can easily get the product price. So there must be no issue at all. So we will add the query here like $pro price. Okay, like this we are going to add $pro price, then products attribute here, products attribute where product ID we are already getting and that is coming here in $data. Product ID. Okay, and we are going to compare with product ID and size. Okay, so next one is this size. sorry, this one is the product side. We have already calculated the product size, so this one we need to copy and paste here. We will not use the size that comes from there, and here we need to do like this. Okay, so now it is fine. And now after that we will use the first, because there is only one element, one row. We need to get the result from there, and we will put that in product price. Okay, product underscore price, and here we will get like this $pro price, and then like this price. Okay, so here we are getting two things. One is the product size and another one is the product price. We will echo and check both these things that we are getting correctly, and then we will continue forward. And here I will use the die. See, first I will get the product size, then product price. Okay, let's see the product price. First one is the product size must be small, and next one is the product price, and product price must be the one that given here, 1000 must be the product price. Okay, so let's click on add to cart, and I need to comment that thing so that we can check it. And now I am going to do Control R, and we'll see shopping cart is selector. No, we need to go back and we need to select that wish list, and here we need to select size small, then wish list, and here you can see it is coming fine. First one is the small, that is this size, and next one is the 1000, that is the product price, and both are coming fine. Okay, so we can now remove this echo, both are coming fine. Now we can add this one in our wish list. Okay, we are getting everything, and one more thing we need to get, we need to compare it with the username. Means here in wish list we need to add according to the username, according to the user email. We can see here, you can see the user email, so we need to get this user email, that is our means primary key for all the tables. We are getting the user name or user email is unique, okay, for all the users. So we are going to compare and add this one. So this one here I will do like this, get user email, or we can say username, one and the same thing. And this one we can get $user email equal to from auth user email, like this. Okay, so we will get the user email here, and after that we will set quantity as 1. Okay, set quantity as 1, and for that we will add $quantity equal to 1. We will also add the quantity as 1. And one last thing, we need to get the current date, and we are going to get this current date in carbon, and that statement also we need to add. Greater add, we are going to do carbon, we will use like this now. Okay, current date we are going to add because we require to add this one. Now we can insert product in wish list. Okay, now we can simply add product in our wish list. And for this carbon here we need to add here the statement for using the carbon, that is for date and time, and we will use like this, use carbon and carbon, like this. Okay, now we can go back to wish list, add to cart function once again, and here now we can add the product in wish list. Now we have added all the things required. Now we can add the product in wish list. Okay, so we can use that db table. Here we will add the table name wish list, that is wish list, and we need to insert now few of the things, like we need to insert the product ID, here the product ID will come in $data from the form data product ID. Okay, and after that we will have the product name, this one also we will get from form product name, and after that the product code. Okay, and product code we okay, that also can get from form. Okay, you can see in detail page here that everything we are sending in form. Here see product name, product code, product color, everything we are sending in form. So we just need to pass all in wish list as well. Okay, so here we will add the product code as well, and after that product color. In this video we have used the insert for the first time, otherwise we need to we use that new new object for adding records in table, but this time we have used insert. Okay, so you can also do in that way if you want. Product color here, okay. So after product color, then product then price. Price we are already having, we have already fetched the price dollar product price. Okay, product underscore price, and after price we will add the size. We also got it, and that is product size. And after product size quantity we already set it as $1 quantity, and after quantity user email we have already checked with user email, that user email we have already got it in user email variable. Okay, so the last one, that is the created at date, we have already got it from carbon function. Okay, now date current date we have got in created at, and that one is $created at. Okay, so now everything is done. Now after adding this one, we will return back the user, redirect back the user with the success message with flash message success. Okay, and here message we are going to display like product has been added in wish list, like this. Okay, so now we can save it, and we will try here that it must work fine, and I'm going to refresh and we'll see send, and here some issue is coming, and here we need to check out where is the issue. Product ID, that is fine, then product name, then product code. See, here is the issue, product code. Okay, then product color. Now we'll save and we'll try once again. Still there is issue, and here. Okay, at the end we need to close it with square bracket, must close here. Now we can check once again, and here it is done, but the message has not displayed. No issue, we will see. But here we are going to check. See, the entry has come in wish list. Okay, so here, but message is not displaying because we need to display the message here. Success message we need to display, like we have displayed the error message here. Success message also required. We will open card blade file here. We have already displayed the success message as well. I will just copy and paste this from card blade file to detail blade file. Okay, so here I am going to place this message. Okay, like this. Okay, so this one I will just move it like this. Okay, now it is fine. Now the success message must also come. I am going to select this small and will click on add to wish list. Okay, here message is coming like product has been added in wish list, and here you can see the product will add in wish list with the username as well. But here you can see the duplicate entries is coming, and we are going to resolve this one in next video. We will add the condition that if the product is already there in wish list, then it will show the error message that the product is already there in your wish list. Okay, like this the message we are going to display, and along with that we will also add the wish list link. We will add the wish list page itself, and where we are going to show the the products that the user have added in his wish list, same like the card page. Okay, that thing we are going to do in next video. Okay, up till then you can try on this one at your end, and if you have any issue you can surely contact me in video description. Okay, so that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.